Okay, so then the other thing that the seat does is I've got this vertical here, which is my aft end arch for the solar panel. And then here's another one, support for my davit lift. That's mounted to the seat. So we're talking about the purposes of the seats. I guess another purpose is I roll up all of my wire and keep it underneath the seat so it's in the shade. Holds the net. So those are the multi-purpose seats. Oh, yep, here's another vertical for the solar arch, but it also mounts my, what do you call it?